Was another emotional week in Idaho as prosecutors present their case against Lori Vallow Daybell. The so-called doomsday mom is accused of killing her kids, Tylee and JJ, who used to live here in the valley.
Team 12's Erica Stapleton has been listening to the evidence. And Erica, this just gets more and more disturbing as we get into the trial. What were the big moments this week?
One of the biggest revelations this week was how JJ and Tylee were killed. A warning. Some of the details in this report are disturbing. Most of this week's testimony focused on this scene, Tylee and JJ's shallow graves in Chad Daybell's backyard.
I don't know what to say. I'm willing to listen if you want to talk to me. I just don't know what to say.
The jury heard an emotional phone call between Lori Vallow Daybell and her younger sister Summer, where Summer talks to Lori in jail after Lori's kids' bodies were discovered in June 2020.
Well, I know that they felt Tylee buried in a pet cemetery and JJ buried on Chad's backyard. And we don't understand how that happened or why.
In the call, Summer is bewildered that her sister would not tell the family anything about her kids, when they were missing, when they were discovered dead. Lori married doomsday author Chad Daybell after her kids were allegedly killed at the end of 2019.
Is there another explanation? I'm willing to hear it. I don't want to think of it. Absolutely, but I can't talk about it. You went off to Hawaii. You were dancing on the beach while your kids are in the ground.
Other investigators testified how cell phone data helped connect the dots in this case, and how it was Alex Cox's phone that ultimately brought them to Tylee and JJ's burial sites. Alex is Lori's brother, who died before charges were filed in this case.
Please consider that Chad has lied and been deceived, and that you have been deceived, and that this is not what you think it is. There is nothing okay about killing children. Nothing. And even if you didn't kill them, and Chad didn't kill them, and Alex didn't kill them, you threw them away like garbage.
It was revealed in court that JJ died from asphyxiation, a bag over his head, and duct tape over his mouth. Tylee's remains were in such bad shape that the pathologist couldn't determine how she was murdered.
It's severely depressing.
JJ's grandparents showing up every day hoping for justice, but have had to sit some parts of the trial out, particularly the testimony about JJ's remains. Many of Lori's family members have faced the courtroom too, like her uncle, Rex Connor.
Some questions answered like we hope every day.
Lori's husband, Chad Daybell, is facing similar charges to Lori, including murder in the death of her kids, but will be tried separately. The couple is also charged in the death of Chad's first wife, Tammy Daybell. Tammy's sister testified Thursday and Friday, saying that Chad married Lori a few weeks after Tammy died in October 2019, and that he lied about who Lori was and that she didn't have children.
And he told me no, that there's no children and that they were going to be empty nesters.
Chad initially refused an autopsy and had her buried quickly, but Tammy was later exhumed, and investigators now believe she died by asphyxiation. Lori's attorneys have stated that Lori was not in Idaho the day Tammy Daybell died. Chad's attorney has reportedly been sitting in on Lori's trial every day, and Chad is due in court for his own status hearing next week. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.